Today we will learn 30 words that start with alphabet J. J for juice. J for jewel. J for jet. J for jasmine. J for joy. J for jewelry. J for jelly. J for jigsaw. J for jam. J for jaguar. J for joystick. J for journal. J for journey. J for jungle. J for June. J for Jupiter. J for jealous. J for jacket. J for joint. J for joke. J for junk food. J for Japanese. J for jar. J for jump. J for jug. J for joker. J for jeep. J for jeans. J for jellyfish.